Assalamualaikum guys, hoping you are well, and again welcome to our channel. So it is a very special day for me because in this day my teacher Mashiur sir has come here in my house and I can get a scope to meet with him. So I want to try make a conversation with him.
Okay, sure. Raja, how are you today?
I'm really very fine by the grace of Allah.
Though it is only month of Ramadan, I come here at daylight. Yesterday or last night I called you that Raja, I'm coming, so I would like to meet. Also, I would like to make a content with your groups. Am I right?
Yeah.
So really, I have seen that you are really prepared. How are your parents today?
Sir, it's really very good, and my parents are very fine today.
Okay, just I would like to hear from you. What do your parents do, and what are their names?
My parents both are employed. One of them, my father is a banker of Gramin Bank, and my mother is a teacher of private department.
Okay, I have heard that your father is a banker and mother is a teacher also. So can you tell me about your high ambition and why do you like it?
Sure, everybody has a high ambition in their life. So like others, I have also an aim. So my aim is to be an admin officer.
Okay, Raja, I have heard by the way that, and one day you told me maybe that you have come back from southern part of Bangladesh, like Jashar, am I right?
Yes.
But you are living in Golabganj, means it is northern part of Bangladesh. So what is the logic of here staying?
Actually, my permanent address in Joshua, Khulna, but now my present address in Birganj, Dinaspur, because my mother, who is doing her job in here, and my father, who is job in there. But present, my father lives in Dhaka for their job, and my own house is in Joshua.
Jashar. You have heard that though her birthplace is Jashar, but she is living in Golabganj also in the northern part of Bangladesh. So it is the lifestyle of every people of Bangladesh, because you may be a student or your birthplace may be in farthest, but your working place may be so much very far, because her mother works in Golabganj, Birganj. For this reason she stays with her mom and her father stays in Dhaka also. So it may be also great opportunity for you, am I right? Because you are getting tasked in both part of Bangladesh, because your birthplace is northern part of southern part of Bangladesh,
and I also can get very scope to visit all of part in Bangladesh.
Places. Like a few days ago, maybe dear viewers, you have seen her in my last video when I met with her to the Orange Valley also. In Orange Valley, we also met with one of the foreigners also. I made a content with her. So, Roja, I would like to ask another question to you. It's a surprising fact that as a girl of here, Golabganj, you go from Golabganj to Birganj because you are student of Ibrahim Memorial Shikha Niketan. Though Ibrahim Memorial Shikha Niketan is the farthest from Golabganj. So how do you go from here?
Actually, it's very terrible to go to the school every day, but I'm trying to go to school regularly, and I go my school by auto or rickshaw.
Just I would like to hear from you the exceptional logic. Do you feel any problem going from here to at least as a girl? Because it's not possible. It's not possible as a girl, I think, outer show of this society. As a boy, it can be possible from here to go there. But how do you go, and do you feel any problem? If you feel any problem, what type of problem do you see?
Actually, I feel not much problem. But when I was new of going to school, I felt much problem to go to school, and I was very nervous to go to school every day. But now in this time, I am habituated to go to school.
She has already got habituated. For the she does not have any as usual. Am I right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sure. Next, what's your aim in life? Means also, what do you want to do after finishing your SSC course?
So you know that I'm now the SSC candidate of 2025. So after finishing my SSC, I want to get admit in a very famous college or very good college for me. And in my mind, I want to get admit in Dhaka, like that. So after finishing my college, I want to take my preparation for BCS.
BCS, and she would like to be also BCS cadre on time. Also, I really appreciate you that. Really, to be a BCS cadre, what type of facilities do you want to have to struggle?
To be BCS cadre, there are various struggles to meet because it's really a very terrible job and it is very rare. No. Because most of the people of our country are wanting to be doctor, engineer, teacher like that. But it's very rare, and that's why I have to take very terrible or very hard work, dedication. That's it.
So after finishing your student life, I would like to see also BCS, successful BCS cadre also. or you will serve the people of Bangladesh, am I right?
Yes.
Also, how do you pass your time? Because I know that you are a student of class 10 science background, and you are not only a science background student. I have heard that you are the first ranking student, roll number 1 of your school, am I right, of class 10? So, what's your hobby? How do you pass your time?
Actually, as an SSC candidate, I can't get much time to pass in very vacation. But when I get time, then I sing, I draw, or I help my mom.
Okay. Next, I would like to also ask, ending of my question. Yesterday or a few days ago, I saw that you participate in various types of extracurricular activities. So, why do you participate in this type of extracurricular activities? What is the main logic?
Actually, it is boring to study regularly, or I think by being extracurriculum, I can get refreshment with my mind, and it gives me pleasure, and that's why
you participated. Roja, do you want to ask anything to me? Do you have any extra question?
Yeah.
What type of question? Dear viewers, you have understood that my student, she is so much eager to ask me. Okay, what type of question?
How do you feel coming here?
Sure. Exceptionally, she has asked me how's my feelings after coming from outskirts of Birganj means Gulabganj. Really, Roja, when I started my journey from my home, I have also accompanied with one of my, or also two my sons. They are so much eager that they will come back to Birganj to Gulabganj, because it's maybe for the Rakib, means youngest son. He wants to tell that, Baba, father, I would like to go to Gulabganj, Roja's house, also Roja's house. Sakib is also. So they are so much eager to come here. Also, I was so much eager to meet with you at a time, because dear viewers, I got this type of students at a time, 5 pieces. You have seen in my previous videos also. Otherwise, you will see that there is a group. Here are a lot of numbers that they have 5 groups. They stay always together. If you want to see anyone's existence, you may get automatically another. For this reason, I am so much eager to have you at a time. So you have seen that they are well prepared. Before coming, they were so much eager. When Mashiur sir is coming, we will meet, we will make a content. Okay. So dear viewers, obviously you will not understand. And next, Roja, do you want to ask anything to me?
No.
Nothing, because it is Holy month of Ramadan. At daylight we have so much activities because we have to prepare our, also it is ending of holiday Friday, so we have to go. So stay safe and please subscribe our Mashiur's Spoken English YouTube channel.
Assalamualaikum guys, hope you are well. Again, welcome to our channel, and you know that it's Ramadan month, and that's why I met one of my friends named Mahfuja, and now I'm trying to have a good conversation with her. So let's start. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine by the grace of Allah. So you are looking so great, I think.
Oh, thank you. You also?
Are you Roja? Are you Roja?
Yes.
Okay. So what's your father's and mother's name, and what do they do?
My father's name is Indi Mojurul Haq, and my mother's name is Nur Nahar, and they both are teacher.
That's great. Do you have any brother or sister?
I have 2 sisters.
Okay. Who are they?
They are Mahbuba and Mahmuda.
Okay. So can I know what's your aim in life?
My aim in life is to be a teacher. Teacher of Dhaka University.
Teacher is a very noble profession. We all know that. So we appreciate her. That's why. Oh, shit.
Teaching is a noble profession. Teaching is a noble profession.
Okay.
Teaching is.
Tu bolbi bhai mane kya naam hai teacher?
Why did you become a teacher?
Because teaching is a noble profession, and I want to survive my students properly.
Okay, I'm praying for you so that you can be success in life and to be a doctor.
And what's your aim in life?
You're surprising to know that my aim in life is to be an admin officer, and it is really very rare for all of
great
country. Okay, so can you tell me what do you do in your pastime?
I help my mom, and I'm singing.
I sing. When I get time, I sing.
When I get time, I sing song, help my mom, drawing.
Okay, so that's really great. What is your school name?
My school's name is Birkanj Government Girls High School. And you?
My school's name is Ibrahim Memorial Shikha Niketan. Sir, ki proshno ko baat nahi.
What do you do in your holiday?
In my holiday, I sing and I also fond of drawing. That's it. Okay, so guys, it's the evening time and hope please subscribe the channel and like, share.
Please don't forget to subscribe this channel.
Thank you.